everyone, it's Professor Derrick, and today we are going to be going over how a solar oven works. How this works is you use foil on the top flap in order to reflect light into the box. There's plastic wrap over the top, so that way air can't come out. So whatever you're cooking, right, doesn't dry out. And then inside the box, what you need is some black paper. So this is important because the color black absorbs light and it stores into it as heat. This will cause the box to warm up, which in turn will heat up anything that you have inside of your solar oven. So feel free to try this out at home. It's very simple. You can use materials that you have around the house. One interesting thing that you can use it for is s'mores. If you want to find out more about s'mores, then you can watch Rec and Reading this Thursday at 3 p.m. And remember to stay safe and have fun.